Hey guys, are you still using this way to remove image background? After that, you will not use this way. First, select layer panel and duplicate the background layer. Then go to channels, select blue layer and duplicate it. And now select image menu, then adjustments, then select levels and adjust the levels as you can see and click OK. And then mask the selection and delete the blue layer copy. Again go back to layer panel, right click to the selection and click select inverse, and now mask the selection, and finally we have done. Thank you for watching guys. Please like, share, subscribe us for more such interesting tips and tricks.